Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain difference between CAD data type and VARCHAR2 data type. So CAD data type always stores fixed length. When it comes to VARCHAR2 data type, it stores variable length. Okay. So now I will show you difference between this CHAR and VARCHAR2 data types. So go to SQL developer. So I already prepared the scripts. Okay. First, I will run this particular demo table script. So in this table, I declare only one column with character data type with length as 11. So I insert this data into this table. Now I will create one more table, demo underscore one. Here I declare same column name with varchar2 data type, length as same. Okay, both data types. Now I insert same data. Now data gets inserted, right? Now I run this query, we'll see difference. Now first I run CAD data type declared table. So this is CAD declared data type table. Now I will run varchar2 data type table. So if you observe here carefully, so whenever we declare CAD data type column, it's occupied paddings with the occupied paddings. Why? Because here actually I declare this particular column character the character data type length as 11, but actually we are passing only 6 characters, so remaining 5 characters data gets wasted here. It will 5 characters data occupied with space. Okay, whenever you declare CAD data type. Okay, so when it comes to varchar2 data type, it's not allocating full this memory. So whatever required memory to store this particular value, only that particular memory it takes. Remaining memory it will allocate it to other resources. Okay. So now here you observe, right? Okay, difference. So when we go for CAD data type, when we go for where CAD2 data type, I will explain. So if any column data is fixed entire your business, then we will declare that one as a CAD data type. So if any particular column is data frequently changed, it means data get increased sometime and decreased sometime, then we go for varchar2 data type. Okay, I hope you understand difference between CHAR and varchar2 data type. So in next lecture, I will explain one more interview question. So that's it guys. Okay, thank you.